Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you a very easy handmade doll. So first of all what I'll do is that I'll take some tissue paper and put some glue and just crush it out into a ball. So this will be the head. Now guys, what I'll do is that I'll take another smaller piece of tissue paper and make a ball as well. So this is the size, and now I'll just put it in the middle for the nose. Now what I'll do is that I'll take a craft wire and start making a coiling. Then I'll just take out the craft wire and just glue it together. So now once I get all of these, I'll start painting the doll base. So of course I'm using acrylic paint into the skin shade color. I'll paint all the coilings too.
We're falling hard to find the answer. With this life we live, be all that
Once that is done, again I'll take another piece of tissue paper and fold it properly. Then I'll put some glue and just take that. Over here again I'm making a smaller piece of the crushed ball. So now as you can see, these will be the hands and the legs.
let's run away.
Alright, so I'll just make all of these 4 pieces together. Now I'll just take my Sharpie and I'll just start making the facial expressions such as eyes, eyebrows and the lips. Nose is already been made with tissue paper, so you don't have to worry about that.
When no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster.
So now as you can see, the face is finally ready. I'll just put some blushes and all using my green brush and some light paint too. Now again I'll take this tissue paper and I'll just start crushing it again just to make the doll body. And then over here this is a very beautiful color, blue colored crepe paper, and I'll just take that and I'll just cover it with this because that's the way I'm gonna make the dress very easy. And over here in this video I've only used papers, and all the rough kind paper you can find around you can use those, and no fabric has been used to make the dress. It's very easy. Just find some crepe paper and just wrap it around the doll body made out of tissue paper, and that's how you get it. Then again I'll take another long stripe piece of this crepe paper. I'll just do this exact kind of folding over here just to make the frill for the doll dress, and it's basically a skirt. So that's what I'm gonna do over here, and then I'll just tie it around with a same colored thread. So after tying this knot, I'll just cut it out, and this way I get this beautiful skirt kind of thing. And so once this is done, as you can see, this is how it looks right now basically. Now I'll just put this doll upper half of the body and just stick them together. Now again I'll just Just take the same crepe paper and just make the zigzag kind of design. Just wrap it around with some thread and just tie a knot. So now this will be for the collar. And then I'll just put some glue and just secure the edges. Now I'll just stick it on top of the head, and then I'll stick the doll head as well. Then I'll just start sticking the feet and the legs to the doll body, and the doll will almost be completed after this. So I'll just put these palm and the feet as well, which I made. Now let's insert this to the doll, and after it's done, over here I'll just tie this tissue paper around, and I'll just cut the axis and stick it to the back side in kind of a belt look. Then let's start making the hairs. So for that I'm going for 2 short ponytails. So I'll just take my cardboard and I'll wrap around some of the wool, black wool. And as you all know, this is how I make hairs, using some silk thread or some wool. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna make some small hairs, and that will just complete your look. Now I'll just take a thread and tie a knot on the hairs. Once this is done, I'll just use my fingers and spread out the parts, and then I'll tie another piece of wool over here just to give that pony kind of effect. And I'll just cut the axis part. So after trimming out the edges to make it look more smoother, now what I'll do is that I'll take some pieces out from the one side and then cut it out. So this will give the front bangs. And now just place it on top of the doll's head. And I'll just use my glue and I'll stick it over here. So once it's done, I'll put some gems and some kind of detailings to the doll's body, doll's dress, and also to this ponytail. Now let's start painting the shoes. So of course I'm going for a black plain shoes and some white socks. So that's what I'm gonna do over here, and after the painting is done, we'll keep it to dry a little bit, and then your doll is finally ready. So now as you can see, my doll is finally ready. It's a very easy paper doll, and it can also move its hands and the legs too. So guys, this was it. This was the final video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
The life of dreams is one.